What up, Raffleaders? Welcome back to my channel. Thought I'd give you an update on what's happening here at the new Vlissengen Road bypass. That's Vlissengen Road, or Vlissengen Road continues in that direction. That's Princess Street. And that's a new road. It's being constructed here. That's east. The last time I was here, they were still building the sidewalk. They were still building the sidewalk, and I didn't know what it was, the structure, but I assumed it's going to become the drainage, maybe a culvert. Yeah, that's true. They're putting a culvert in at this end. All right, they're putting in a culvert at this end, and eventually I suppose they're going to use that metal box frame that they're building. Right, that's reinforcement, rebar, that's going to go into the culvert at this end across Cemetery Road. So Cemetery Road is still under construction, guys. I think I was here about a month ago when I showed you that they were widening Cemetery Road. So what they've done is they've closed the western half of the road while they complete it, and they've diverted all the traffic onto the eastern side, which I suppose will get the same treatment when it's completed. That's the Larry Pintier Cemetery, and this is in fact a continuation of Vlissengen Road, but it's called Cemetery Road colloquially. And I suppose this construction that I thought was rather strange is no longer strange. They're actually using it, I guess, to complete the culvert that's going to be built here. And so both lanes of traffic are now on the eastern side. This is the center, the divider, and they've put a sidewalk, I suppose. I guess middle walk you can call it, because it's not on the side of the road. And they've covered the western side with stone. I guess eventually it's going to be completed in kind of asphalt or paved surface. And I suppose they're going to do the same on the other side, which seems a little narrow, but I guess they're going to widen it too. They've already started working on that. And that's the cemetery. That's the western half of the cemetery, because this road goes through the Larry Pintier Cemetery, and that's why it's called Cemetery Road. That's the eastern side of the cemetery, but it's actually, the official name is Vlissengen Road, because it's continuous with Vlissengen Road. Now, I don't know if they're going to continue the road work beyond the end to connect it to Vlissengen Road. They'd probably have to build an elevated highway. You know, they don't do that kind of sophisticated infrastructure in Guyana, so I guess this is it. When it's completed, that's all you can expect. This used to be an entrance to the cemetery. I believe, no, it's the next one, but there is a reserve that runs through the cemetery at this point. So this is part of the infrastructure development. In the last video I showed you that the government had withdrawn about exactly 250 million in the third quarter. Most of it being used for infrastructure development. They're building a bridge across the Demerara River, which has been started, and a number of roads, including this one, and the bypass road from Ogle. I think I showed you that in the previous video, ogle all the way to Peters Hall, where they built that pool. I'm going to give you an update on that pool, show you what has happened since the last time there's an accident there. They've fixed things. That's the eastern side of the cemetery. And this is traffic heading into Georgetown. So this is usually a busy road, bringing daytime commuters into the city from South Remveld, East Remveld, West Remveld, Tuckville, and so on. So, and Roxanne Burnham Gardens, places south of the city. And so it is quite a busy route. As you can see now, it's about 7:15 on a Thursday morning in November 2nd, and that's what traffic looks like, morning traffic. So this is Cemetery Road as it goes through, or Vlissengen Road as it goes through the Larry Benther Cemetery, but it continues. In other words, it's Vlissengen Road continues all the way to the back road, which is now being called Vlissengen Road as well. So Vlissengen Road is going from the seawall all the way to the back road, which is also being called Vlissengen Road. Always people who are going to break the law. Some people always want to be on camera, and other people camera shy. But yeah, this is what I say. Vlissengen Road now goes through Penitence, goes through the Penitence, and then goes by this next intersection, which is Independence Boulevard. They changed the name from what used to be Pontrench Dam, and they've completed the construction there. I'm going to show you what that looks like in a second. But like I said, this is what's happening here with Cemetery Road. It's being widened. I suppose all of this is going to be completed in a few months, but that's where it looks like, just looking back from the direction in which we came. And you can see they're building they're also going to build the drain system. The drainage system is going to be reconstructed, so this will allow, I guess, construction of the road all the way up to the drain, because they're gonna have to put in retaining walls and then fill the road out to make it wider. Yes guys, for those of you, somebody requested an update on the Cemetery Road construction. This is what it looks like now. There is some improvement over, like some progress over the last time I made a video of this part of the city, and it seems as if they're actually going to widen the road all the way to the back road. I don't know if I'm going to be able to get all the way to the back road in this video, but I'll show you the rest of it in the future. What I want to show you at this point is what has happened to Independence Boulevard, or Pontrench Dam. And this is it. Right, that's Pontrench Dam, Independence Boulevard. Right, that's the entrance to South Rhineveld Gardens. Sorry, the entrance to All Boys Town. This is the entrance to All Boys Town. So that's the sign. Government of Guyana, Independence Boulevard, commissioned on June 10, 2023 by His Excellency Dr. Mohammed F. So this is what's happened. This is the completed Independence Boulevard. I'm going to show you in the next video. If you want to see more content like this, click like, subscribe. In the comments below, tell me what you think about this section of the reconstruction, I guess the widening of Cemetery Road. I'm going to give you the rest of it in a future video. Right, goes all the way out to the back road. But for now, this is where it's at. Share this video with friends and family around the world. Let people know what's happening here in Georgia and Guyana and on Cemetery Road, Vlissengen Road, in the fastest growing economy in the world. Later.